Katie, I think we're live. We're live! And we're showing you these lipsticks because we thought, well, firstly, we haven't done a live in
a long time,
and more on why we haven't later. But we thought, what a lovely way to kick off the first of many lives again, to share our fave lipsticks this week.
Yeah.
So, should we put these lipsticks
Well,
on?
let's
Should we
put
put
these
them on
on,
live
please.
and then we can share with you
I've got a little doggy here.
ways to wear
I
them.
think he's a bit hot. I'm just going to put him down.
Pop him on the floor. Right, I'm going to show you this lipstick. The links are above, but I am going to try to actually put a link in right now because you never know, it might work. Let's put
Very
that in now.
minded.
Okay, I think it is. Hi Cherie, hi Maria, hi Elizabeth, hi Karen. Thank you all so much for joining us. It has been a long time, and we're going to do a live catch up once we've shown you these lipsticks and explain where we've been, what's been going on. Hi Laura, hi everyone. It's so kind of you to watch us. So, okay, Katie, I'm going to say you go first with your favourite lipstick.
Thank you.
You
No,
pop
I do
that
love
on.
this one. Right, okay. I'm going in.
Yes. So Katie is applying. You might need to come slightly more on camera. That's it.
Better?
Yes. So Katie's applying shade Insane, and I will link that lipstick as well so you can see.
I love this lipstick.
So well, this is a very bold lipstick, as we can see, but what looks really lovely is, Katie, if you stand up, because today Katie's coming to work wearing
Very casual.
very cash, jeans and a sweatshirt, QVC style.
Jeans model zone.
But don't you just love how that lipstick elevates anything you wear?
Yeah, and I haven't even washed my hair. That's the job for tonight.
And that's what I love. Stand up, Katie, please stand up again.
I will.
Stand up again. Because I think, come closer to camera. Like, look, this is just, you can have barely their makeup on.
Very dirty hair.
But as soon as you pop on this shade of lipstick, it completely elevates everything.
Yeah.
I think Crispian's coming into the office right now with Bunny and Binky Boo.
Crispian,
so
we're live.
We're live, Crispian. So I'm going to quickly show you a way you can wear this in a no makeup way as well.
Yeah, because I agree, it is really bold. I love it, but
now, look how lovely this is. And what's really nice about it is got jojoba oil in it, it's got avocado oil in it.
yeah, it feels really moisturising.
And it's very moisturising. But what I want to share with you is how you can wear this in a no makeup way, believe it or not.
Can you see? I don't know if the real iridescence of it.
Yeah, it's got a really nice sheen to it.
It's really pretty.
Okay, take that off, Katie.
Will do.
Take that off, and whilst you're taking that off, I'm going to show you my fave lipstick of the week. I'm going to see if I can link this one. This one is called Haute Nude. Now, as a makeup artist, finding a good nude is really difficult because sometimes if a nude is a little bit too insipid, it can really make your lips detract.
Yeah, and it doesn't want to look washed out.
Yeah, you don't want it to look washed out. Now, if you have a nude coloured lipstick at home and you're like, oh, I just can't get it to work for me, I'm going to share with you a tip of how you can make it work for you. And that is, get a lip liner that is 3 shades darker than your fade nude lipstick. Apply it around the edges of your lip and fill. Then put your nude coloured lipstick on top.
I just put the liner actually all over your lips.
Yeah, line and fill with, and that will completely transform your nude lipstick at home that perhaps you're not wearing because you feel like it's too pale for you.
And just change up the shade.
Change up the shade and give it a bit of depth. Now, this nude lipstick, I think, is completely different to that because this does not need any lip line with it to look really good.
Oh.
So I'm going to show you, excuse me while I look in the camera to do my lipstick, because it's got a good depth of colour to it.
Oh, that's pretty.
That gives it,
oh, that's nice.
it's got quite a 90s look to it as well, which I like. And 90s is, you know, is back in trend.
Well, can I go with that when you're finished?
You can have a go with that in a minute. Now, again, what's so lovely about this lipstick, this Haute Colour Nude, is it's got a sheen to it. Now, again, if you struggle with wearing a nude lipstick,
it's almost balmy, isn't it?
Getting a nude colour with a sheen really brings the lips to life. So if you've got a nude at home, you're like, oh, I don't really wear it, I feel like it looks too insipid on me, put a gloss over the top and that will really bring it forward as well.
Idea, yeah.
Yeah, and the other thing I love with this colour is clean finger, dab on your cheeks.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, and it just lifts your complexion a bit as well. Probably put
Can I do it with the shade that I love?
Yes, you can. You can. Now, I'm going to show you, like I've said, I'm going to show you how you can wear this shade as a no makeup shade.
Just like dial it down a little bit.
Yeah, and this is a good tip that you can do with all your lipsticks at home that you feel is perhaps a little bit too bold. 1 second, we've got Binky Boo that's barking in the background.
She's having a little meltdown.
Thank you. Okay, so Katie,
yes.
And if you're watching this at home, you think, yeah, I've got loads of bold colours at home that I just don't wear. Let me show you where to wear it. So I've got a lip balm here. You pop that lip balm on.
Yeah.
Come on to camera. So you're going to put on that lip balm, slather it on.
You can do this with any lip balm, yeah?
Any lip balm, yeah. Then you're going to take your bold lipstick and you're going to, with a clean finger, dab it into the lipstick.
Make sure my finger's clean.
And then you're going to apply that colour over...
A bit closer.
Over the balm. Just dab it because you don't want a lot of the colour, and then smudge your lips together.
Oh, that's nice.
So it's making it like just a lip stain and a no makeup
Oh, and
lip.
it feels lovely too.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
So it's a way that you can just transform a bold lipstick to be really wearable.
So I suppose if you've got lipsticks at home, you might feel a bit too bold. You could just try that out.
But I would say, so if you now take that off, Katie, and then apply this in its true colour, and I'm going to link to it because you're going to absolutely... I'm also going to show you a way
Thank you.
that... Hang on, let me put this on screen. Okay, right, you go for it.
Okay. Oh, sorry, Daddy.
Let me just... Okay, so this is now wearing in its bold state.
I love this. I love the iridescence of it.
Yeah, it looks lovely, doesn't it? Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can lift... Look how that lifts your complexion.
It's just something I feel a bit more like pulled together.
Yeah,
even though I'm only in...
So now you can take your ring finger.
Yeah, let me just clean that one off.
Okay, you're going to dab it into your centre of your lips like this.
Uh-huh.
And you're just going to tap it onto your cheeks and massage it up towards the top of your hairline.
Ooh.
So if you come on camera a little bit, that's it. And then this is going to give you just a really lovely lift.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and it also, that
Isn't that
iridescence
lovely?
actually shows
It looks
out on
lovely.
there, doesn't it?
Now, these products
Oh, I love
are... I hope they're on screen now. I could be doing that completely wrong. But if you want to look at what we've made individual videos for each lipstick. The links are above or below. I've put them somewhere.
I really like that on the cheeks. I didn't
Isn't that lovely?
That,
yeah, really nice. Now, I do apologise. I've got my little dog Binky Boo crying in the background. She might need a little walk or something, Crispian.
Poor
I
little
think she does, or she might be just a bit hungry.
Live.
Live. Let's try some of the dogs barking. Okay.
I'll remove him from the situation.
Oh, you might have noticed Binky Boo's had a little dip dye on her ears. She's got a little dog-friendly dip dye. Yes. So there are two favourite lipsticks of the week. Now, another top tip I've got. If you're someone that has bold lipsticks at home and you're like, I've got these lovely colours at home, but I'm never really wearing them, this is what I encourage you to do. Because you spent money on those lipsticks, I really want you to love and to
if you
wear
get lipstick home and it's nothing fit
So
suit.
what you can do is, first things first, get used to wearing that colour. So apply it at home when you're just like pottering around the house, just so you get used to. If you catch yourself in the mirror, you actually get used to the colour.
Yeah.
You almost become bored of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, make it every day.
Make it every day. Another little tip you can do is Katie, so you've got that bold colour on there.
Yeah.
I'm going to take a little bit of concealer.
Yeah.
And I'm going to tap this just into the middle of your lips to make it slightly more muted.
Right, okay.
Okay.
Just into the middle.
Yeah,
oh,
just
you're
into
going
the
to do
middle.
it for
So
me.
you're going to
Thank
look in
you.
the camera. And this is something you could do if you've got a bold lipstick and you could just reach for your foundation or concealer. Just going to tap it in the middle there. Smudge your lips together. And then blend it. And then you can keep going until you've made that colour a lot more wearable for you.
Also makes your lips look a bit fuller.
It does. Let me put a little bit more on. So if you face the camera, that's it.
Thank you.
That's it. Smudge together. And then just throw it out. That's
Can
it.
you come to my house and do my
Yeah.
makeup?
So look. It's nice.
Oh, it does
Give it a
look
good
nice.
old smudge.
Yeah, I like that. It just changes it up
It
as well.
does change it up. And also, this is a great tip for your lipsticks at home. If you put a little bit of your concealer or your foundation in the middle of your lips, it makes your lips look fuller.
I suppose it gives you that accentuation of your lips coming out, doesn't it?
And then if you really wanted to go to town, you could then put gloss over the top of that, and that would really,
Ooh,
really
nice.
bring it out.